G'day guys, today we're going to go through how easy Halo is to use. So we've grabbed the lovely Alex out of our marketing department, never operated an excavator, never drilled a hole. We're going to throw her in the cab and get her to drill using Halo. So let's get her in and have a watch.
Okay, this is fine. I'm sure it's just going straight down, at least from what I can see. Oh boy, I hope this is straight. It's hard to tell. Okay, right, I can see what's happening. So let's move to green now. Nice to see what I'm actually doing. Oh no, 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 red! Yes! How'd I go, Amp?
Perfect. What a difference that second one was. What was the difference between non-Halo and Halo?
Oh, massive. Didn't know what I was doing without it.
Night and day?
Absolutely.
Green and non-green.
Green and non-green.
Anyway guys, that's how easy it is. When you've got Halo, you know exactly where that auger drive is. You're going to get that hole in nice and straight. So, as we said, that's Alex's first time using an excavator. So imagine what you guys are who use them every day. You're going to get those holes in done real quick. So do yourself a favour, make sure you ask for Halo on your drive when you're talking to the salesman. Thanks Alex.
You're welcome.
It was like unbelievable, like most dreams are when they come true. And then it died.